If you are wondering if we have bloatware on the Motorola Moto G87, then the answer is yes. Unfortunately, Motorola Moto G87 pre-installs a bunch of different apps, bloatware, for you. And the funny thing is that after the initial configuration, when you are about to go to the home screen, you might see a menu that is called Discover New Apps or something like that, and there is a list of bunch of different apps, bunch of different bloatware that the phone tries to install for you, and you have the option to uncheck them and to even skip this. But what is funny about this is even though you skip, you are probably still going to get some of these apps installed for you. So as you can see, this is right after the initial configuration. I have these two document and reader apps or something. There are two calculator apps, which is quite funny. This one is the Google one, I believe, or at least it seems so, or maybe Motorola's. This is the bloatware. There we go. You see even over here that this process may contain ads, so yeah, so unfortunately, we do have a bunch of different apps. There's also this PDF reader, which I think is the bloatware as well. We have Temu pre-installed, there is Opera pre-installed, Booking is going to be installed, LinkedIn. There is even a game pre-installed, which is actually a FIFA game, which I guess this is the reason why, but still. TikTok as well, so even games over here. We have a folder game with a bunch of games that are actually not installed, but of course here we have we have these games presented in such a way that it seems that they are installed. Thankfully, we can uninstall a bunch of these things, so we can just press and hold our finger on these apps and I can easily uninstall them. So if you need to do that, or if you want to do that, which most likely you do, then thankfully you can. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.